A project to protect and stabilize a section of creek through a Frisco greenbelt is nearly complete.
We needed to protect this channel in between these two retention ponds. One of the major things that happens in urban streams is erosion. And a lot of the times we are concerned with erosion developing in and around public infrastructure.
The latest project was needed to slow down the erosion of a creek channel just east of Teal Parkway that's part of the Cottonwood Creek Greenbelt.
This channel has been here for many, many years. It existed before the Greenbelt was built, so we've kind of come in over the years to make these greenbelt improvements around a natural watercourse.
The ponds were created in 2015 as part of the subdivision, which also incorporated a hike and bike trail. In 2022, a creek stabilization project allowed engineers to create a boardwalk, ADA fishing pier, and small looping trail around the west pond.
Erosion started forming around the base of the wall, losing the material and essentially causing the retaining wall to fail.
These amenities needed protecting from the erosion.
We designed a U-shaped channel that utilizes gabion baskets and gabion mattresses, or essentially baskets filled with rocks, to help create this engineered channel through this section.
Crews also secured the baskets with rock anchors drilled about 20 feet into the ground. This work is expected to protect the creek channel for decades.
Identifying issues early before they become bigger issues is important. If we'd lose that retaining wall, it'd probably compromise the rest of the channel and cause some damages to our trail system.
The trail remained open during the project, with safety for trail users top of mind.
We've gotten some positive feedback from the residents. You know, they see the value in investing in our greenbelt and making sure that our infrastructure is safe, especially this wonderful trail that, you know, kind of intertwines here with just a natural creek.
To learn more about this trail and other hike and bike trails in Frisco, go to friscotexas.gov/trails.